Hey y'all, have another install video today. Today I have with me Celie's hair off of AliExpress. This is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It is a transparent lace frontal wig and it's in the inch 24, which I did trim the end, so it's making it 22 inches long. I already have my ball cap molded down and I'm just measuring the wig to make sure it is going to be in place. And I am using bolt hold today and I'm going to put 3 layers of glue down. And my settings for my heat is going to be on warm. Just make sure it's fully dried and goes clear before you try to attach your wig. Before you install your wig, make sure all your baby hairs is pushed back on your wig. I take my hot comb and I just comb it back, and then I cut it in the middle and I go from side to side placing my wig down. When you cut it in section, it kind of makes it easier to place your wig because some laces are actually too big for people's head. And I just cut mine in the middle and I just place it from side to side. It's actually a very convenient method. And you're going to take a fine tooth comb and just comb it back. Do not press down too much. Just take the comb and the comb actually combs it down into place. And then once I'm finished with that, I am going to take my Got To Be glue freeze spray and spray the perimeter where my edges are, just to give an extra hold and to also push some of the hairs back. And I'm going to take my elastic band and wrap it around my edges, and I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair, and while that sits and lets that mold into place. And while I'm straightening my hair, I have not yet put anything on my hair yet. This hair has a natural shine to it and you can see how thick it is, and I know y'all are seeing how good that hairline was. This hair has been absolutely amazing. If you haven't yet done so, check out my hair review on Celie's hair and you can get all the information that you want about this hair. Now after that, I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and trim off the extra lace that is attached to my hairline. And then I'm going to take my scissors and measure where my ear tabs are and just cut around the ear tabs so it can fit properly onto my head. Now, baby hairs are optional. I'm definitely one of the ones who has to have baby hairs. I love the effects of baby hair, and I feel like it just adds that extra something to your hair. And right now, I'm just going to take it down all my baby hairs around my perimeter, and I'm going to take my freeze spray and spray along my baby hairs and put on my elastic band. Now, when you're working with baby hairs, you definitely need to move fast, and it's better to work with a fine-tooth comb rather than an edge brush, because the brush pushes down on your edges and makes your lace lift up. So you're just going to gently just form your baby hairs with the fine-tooth comb.